Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Wednesday, which means it's time for another wonderful edition of What Did You Buy Wednesday? Of course, it's hosted by our buddy Joe of their Big Sky Model Workshop. And the whole idea there is to show us what you got. Did you buy something this last week? Did you buy something this last month? This last year? 2 years ago? Yeah, show us. Let us know what you got. You got a new vendor online or a store or even a national chain that you've discovered has kits or parts or whatever. Man, post it up. Let us know about it. Got someplace that has really good prices and really good products. Let us know. You got a tip that'll help us save money. Let us know. I got to get a drink of water. What I got today is I got some stuff from Hooligans, and I got some stuff from STS Decals. And I'm going to go through the Hooligans first. I got an interesting issue with that, and so we're going to talk about it. First thing I got, let's point this out real quick, is I got a pair of wings, 2 different wings. One of them is already all put together and just clean it up, paint it. The other one is got a wing, and then it's got parts. It's got 2 different mounts, one to fit behind the bump, behind the trunk lid, and comes up, around it, and the other one is directly onto the trunk lid, 2 different wing ends, that type of thing. I just thought those might be fun for, I don't know, you want something a little more drastic than the little wing for the 69 GTO Judge? There you go. So, something of that nature. But I just thought it'd be fun. Just something kind of interesting. Then I got a pair of, these are front spindles and suspension. And I got one set without any brake and one set with drums. So, but I thought that would be good. Basically, you attach them to your frame, and you don't have that axle going up underneath your engine, and you can get a little more clearance. So I thought that'd be neat. Got a set of HHK wheels. Those, I think, and it comes with brakes as well as wheels and tires. I thought that looked pretty nifty, so I thought that would be neat. And but here's the part that I had. I had a little bit of an issue. These are the Z Camaro wheels that he has, and you're supposed to get a set of 14 by 21 rears, 14 diameter or 14 wide, 21 diameter for the rears, and a pair of, I think they're 10 by 20s for the front. Well, I got 2 sets of rears. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I sent the guy an email the other day. I haven't got a response back as to quite how we want to do it. I'm thinking if I can just get to buy a second set and then just have him send me 2 sets of the fronts, everything will be cool. But I got some other ideas that I might work with as well if we can't get it settled out. But yeah, a little bit of human error there. So, but anyway, on to STS Decals. Did have one little issue with Terry. I'm kind of waiting to see how things are going. They have a set of these. They come from ESS Resin Works. They're truck and trailer brake knobs. And anything familiar at all, let me zoom this in, with trucking stuff, you'll know that this is, let me see if I can get some light. There we go. These are supposed to be for a diamond as opposed to square like this, but they're mounted as a diamond. These are painted yellow, and this is your truck brake release, your primary release. These are actually to be an octagon shape and kind of like a stop sign, and they're painted red, and that's your trailer. pretty nifty to work, looks like, and basically drill out what you have, like on the kit, and and put these in for a little bit more detail. Pretty nifty. Well, my problem is the website indicated 10 sets, a total of 20 of these for $8.95. I got 10. It says $5, and I think I got charged $8.95. And I've got Terry and them looking into it to see just kind of what happened, what the misunderstanding was. So, but kind of waiting on that, like I'm waiting on the wheels from Hooligan. Two different orders wound up coming on the same day. And yeah. Anyway, y'all remember here a while back, some months ago, I scored a couple of those Galaxy Limited tag-along trailers. Let me take a peek up here. The 21-foot dual axle trailers. And trying to figure out what I wanted to do with them. Well, I found these. This is one. Bubba's Painting Service. Now you can go in and have the color of the paint changed. But I decided, well, what the heck? Orange. It's a Bubba color. I'm not going to paint the trailer orange. I've got a Mobius service truck that I'm going to do up for it as a painting service truck, and with one of the Galaxy trailers. Then the other one I'm going to do for I've got a order coming from Hobby Link, and one of the things is the Mobius, what is it, 68 F250, and I'm going to do it up along with the other trailer as a dairy farm truck. Thought that might be fun. Then also got, and I really like these. It is, of course, for celebration for the U.S. 250th birthday this year. And it's got, of course, We the People, the first line from the Declaration of Independence. And they've got it in black, and he's also got it, you can't really see it from the light, but he's got it in white down here. We've got, of course, we got a couple of Liberty Bells, the flag, with the Betsy Ross round. You've got 250 and 1776. And down here, you almost can't see it, but he's also got those in white down here. Of course, you got the guys, the fife and drum guys, and the stripes. But I thought that was one of the classiest that I've seen for decals, and I've got some ideas for it. So I think I'm going to use that. Went through, I also got a set of Kenworth decal stripes. Just kind of a grayish. And, but I've got 3 Kenworth cement mixers in my stash, the AMTs. I'm going to build one as a cement mixer. My other 2 I'm going to build up for just something or another. But I'm going to use this on one of them just to kind of dress it up a little bit. I thought that'd be neat. Got gauges. These are just, let me zoom in a little. Just plain old gauges, including a couple of the sweep gauge rather than the round. I've got just a bunch of these that you can, either cut out and just glue in because it's on paper, or trim it out and use it like a regular decal. Got some here that are battery, various types of 2 sets of various battery decals, and some truck decals. Engine bay, truck, no riders, watch your step. Well, idiot, I'm looking down at this instead of looking at it through the camera. Watch your step, danger, keep off, no riders, water only, hydraulic oil only, various things. You can see, got some warnings over here, the fan, just various warning type decals. But I thought that would be kind of fun. So anyway, got to throw this out real quick. VCGresins.com. Be sure and sign up for the newsletter. Bottom of the homepage, name and email address into the place, and you're signed up for the newsletter. And zoom that back out. And then you'll get one email a month toward the end of the month, talking about what you're going to wind up seeing, hopefully the next month or next couple of months. And then you will get an email every now and again when new products are introduced or there's news that needs to be presented. So anyway, do that. Go shopping. Sure, make use of that notify me function in the uh, if you find something that's out of stock, put your email address in there, hit the button, and you'll get an email when it comes back in stock. Go shopping, check out all the stuff he's got, and when you do find some stuff and you want to go ahead and get it, be sure and use promo code Jester10, JESTER10. Save 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6. And if y'all saw my last week's What Did You Buy Wednesday, you'll see just how bad things can get with the post office, and the parts came through in flying colors. So be sure and do that. Check it out. Quick update on this Jeep. Let's see, I've basically got nothing recently done on it. Had stuff I had to do over the last couple of days, and then last night I got a grand total of 3.5 hours sleep, and I am fuzzy brain dead. It's now about 6:30 in the evening Texas time, and I'm about ready to hang it up and go to bed. But this thing, I am not, it's fighting me. It's not doing me any good. I am not enjoying trying to put this thing together. I'm not enjoying it. So I'm going to put it aside, put it back in the box, put it back on the shelf. And at some point in the near future, maybe a couple of months, maybe 6 months, maybe next year, get it out and go to it. And hopefully things will work out a little better. So I don't know what I'm going to work on next. I may work on that Peter National, or is it the Interbuilt, that international cab over 4070A that I have no cab for. And I want to make it into basically chop down the frame and have some fun with that. I may work on that. I may just get me something else wholly different and just go to town on it. So, but I think I'm just going to put the Jeep away, not worry about it. So anyway, be done with that. B-Tex. I'm going to bed and I'm signing out. Night, y'all. Have a great rest of the week.